Today, I am glad to that you are here at Indira Mahila Shakti Bazaar, witnessing the strength of Telangana's women entrepreneurs. We have seen Telangana's heritage from Thousand Pillar Temple, Ramappa Temple, the historical Charminar and Pochampalli weavers to the great Pillal Marri. These all Pillal Marri tree. This is not just cultural heritage, a powerful symbol of how hard work shapes a beautiful life in Telangana. For centuries, women here and across the world have lived under patriarchy. Culture often masked their loss of freedom. Miss World stands here against that dominance. As I said at Ramappa, this pageant is not just about appearance. It is about inner strength, intelligence, and purpose. Real beauty is power, resilience, and freedom. Once this land embraced matriarchy, but over time, women were confined to homes and kitchens, made dependent on men. Thankfully, times are changing, women are rising, and your presence here reflects that journey. Telangana hosting Miss World after 72 years is a markable change. Our constitutional architect, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, stated that I measure the progress of community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. We follow his vision. To us, empowerment means access to education. To us, empowerment means access to employment. To us, empowerment means access to economic strength and equal rights. While many women still struggle, the government stands firmly with them. Under our Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy, we are doing just that. We aim not only guarantee life, but life with dignity. Our goal is to help 10 million women to prosperity, with women at the forefront. The Mahila Shakti Bazaar is part of that vision, a platform where women from across Telangana showcase their skills, dreams, and hard work. These are not just products, they are stories of transformation. We brought you here to show that every woman, whether a beauty queen or a rural artisan, holds equal value. Local to global is a living reality here. This is not just a marketplace, it is a space for social change. These women are creating wealth not just for themselves, but their community. Some women groups run fuel stations and power plants, and few have poultry business and bus owners, event managers, and other business also they are running. This success of our women's economic journey is also evident in the historic achievement of SHG linkage of program in 2024 to 25. Every one of our 60 lakh women groups with the launch interest-free loans. 60 lakh families are now receiving interest-free loan support. The rate of repayment of loans by the women of Telangana are highest in the nation. Even the big business people couldn't achieve this. We freed the women from being exploited by the money lenders. Making 10 million women millionaires is the dream of our respected Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy Garu. Through this we are trying to eradicate the poverty from society by uplifting women. This is not just policy, it is a living model of financial inclusion, empowerment and equity. We believe in three guiding words: earn, empower, evolve. Aim to gain independence, power, empower to gain voice and strength, evolve to lead change in society. This is what the Mahila Shakti stands for. Not just economic opportunity, but a movement of transformation. As you walk through the stalls today, I hope you carry forward the spirit of Telangana's women, full of strength, pride and purpose. The stalls you saw are set up in high rent area surrounded by the IT sector in Hyderabad to support rural women and showcase their crafts in such a prime location. The Chief Minister has provided them with the opportunity to establish these stalls here. I want to conclude it by saying these are not just stalls, they are stepping stones to a stronger tomorrow. I also thank you, Miss World team, for promoting our Telangana tourism and promoting our culture across the world. Thank you and welcome once again Telangana, Jarurana, Barbarana, Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Indira Mahila Shakti.